Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Efia. I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. So in today's video we'll be doing egg stew, a Ghanaian way of doing an egg stew. So I'll begin by cutting up my vegetables, which everything is nicely washed. So in a heated pan, I'll go ahead and add in my cooking oil. You can choose any cooking oil of your choice. So I'll add in my bay leaves, a little spices, that is my curry powder and nutmeg, to add a little bit flavor to the oil. Stir gently and add in your onions, blended pepper, tomatoes and your blended garlic and ginger. Cover everything for at least 10 minutes and stir again. You can then add in your spices and your salt. Stir again and cover it for at least 10 minutes. You can now add in your green bell peppers and your mackerel. Stir and cover it up for at least 5 minutes. Now that the stew has really cooked very well, you can now go ahead and add in your eggs. Cover it for at least 1 minute and stir. Now our egg stew is ready. I am going to enjoy this stew with some cooked rice. Trust me, it was really good. My family really enjoyed this. I hope you try this recipe and leave a comment down below for me to know how yours went as well. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you.